side, mama.
No return ticket! No return ticket! Bye you! Bye you! Nina nsobe ukulala nina mbani. Ubuya mbani. So fana ngapha South Africa wenamba. Oibo, Morazo. Mama. Isaza happy. Sasa sahibi.
Amba krima gajini munu.
Uzozalwa kahle ngakubo.
Kakamba ngoba ngata. Hayi babona bafuna amatukana. How you want the girls to come down, man? Oh, yes, I understand. We pick a land, pick up my truck. Pick up my truck now.
Bye, Baba.
And what's taking them so long? I don't know.
Metro, you got an escort. Escort vehicle. Escort vehicle.
What's that one she's pregnant?
I
toi, lui, c'est facile pour les filles, facile.
You want to
No return ticket, Baba. Bye-bye, on board. On board. Nadia, the way to 2 sacks here. Nadia, we come on the way to 2 sacks here. Come on the way to 2 sacks here. It is this way. Oh, no, man. Which I how? Niskandialini uhlobo wrong kodwa la South Africa. Sele phela Sele le nhlobo phela manje. What's the space? The small sheet. I connect to the pass.
Hey, what point?
I connect to the pass. 20 minutes to Aisha. Yeah, bring him and come. 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 Hey, Oza wana. Oza. 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 You said the country is not public, but one leave it. Leave the country. You say it's not public. Leave the country. Leave the country. Come to the same country. Come to the same country.
Sonjani la? Ufuna la? Nakhona, nice. Hey, tatamnezi ndoba pusha na pamiti.
One by one.
The mayor is telling the foreigners, if you don't leave, you'll be arrested. Go.
For you to go there, and some of you are there, and now you are divided. What do you want to do?
Yeah.
This is wrong. They said they're going to take it out. Ampashi kwa anasema sele mko mnashwana. Move down. Ampashi kwa anasema Una need just protection. Amazi kwa mnaongea na unahitaji protection. Mami, did they explain why you must go? Thank you. Guys, as you can see, the mayor have managed to speak with them and has told them that they must evacuate. So the mayor has managed to speak them out to evacuate. They are going to the bus now. The mayor has spoken to them. They are evacuating. As you can see, the mayor has spoken them out. They are going inside.
Hey, Amba la, Amba winner. Hey, Amba winner. Amba. Go to a safe country. Go to a safe country.
As the mayor is coming again to address them, as you guys can see. For some churches,
Hey, boo. Let me do this. I don't know. Wait.
Next. Letena. Si apiphathi manje bro. Awuzi umsebenzi wethu. Bye-bye. Responsible citizens are helping the police. Responsible citizens are helping the police. Go to a safe country, you said with xenophobia. Go to a safe country, you said with xenophobia. After we check the report of go to a safe country, you said with xenophobia. We give you that right to go to a safe country. You are xenophobic, isn't it? You said you are xenophobic, go to a safe country. Yeah, go to a safe country, you said you are xenophobic, go to a safe country. Go to a safe country. Go to a safe country. I was trying to say, go to a safe country. I see so now. Bathi buhle bakho ngengabona ukuthi oloni correct.
Akudala phela. Ngubane?
You said you are xenophobic, go to a safe country. Go to a safe country. Abashayeli jangasengwenyeni, engwenyeni bayashesha. Engwenyeni bayashesha, bahamba kancane manje. Engwenyeni bayashesha. No problem, Champagne.
She has a baby, maybe in the third bus. There's space in the third bus. Yeah, there's no space there.
Oh, live one. nami ngibe live kancane. Come on, applause.
Plus, sure, colors. Be live in the phone. Othi ngizofika ishimana akalifonele ngeyami.
Let me access.
Q, colors. Surat. Surat. Phone. For them. Not the love of zone. find the pass.
Karunga go to. You trying not to go home.
What was he wearing? What was he wearing? What was he wearing? Oh, you know, yeah, it's gone with the pass. It's gone with the pass. How white one?
Did you catch your baby?
He was wearing the white one.
No, I'm sorry. The people there, no mafia, they must tell my son to work for me there. Because now if you come here and meet, I'm going there. I have his documents here, I have my documents. Well, my son...
But they are safe where they going. There is police there.
They will come back here and they'll be going.
No, but they are safe. There is police here. Isn't the police are protecting your guys? Don't worry.
No one is safe. You can't say that you can safe. They must let the boys wearing their boots and the topi. They must let my boy there and he must let Mama, sorry?
You take a bus so you can go check for your son. Don't stand there. Go.
You coming from a home affairs? Come the side.
I came from home affairs right now.
Come the side, please. Come the side.
Within the perimeter.
Yeah.
Come the side. Come the side.
I came by home affairs.
Wait. Go down. He just came from home affairs with the baby. The one to get. Come the side. Hey, come the side. Come the side. There, do this one. Talk.
The mother is coming also. She's on the way. I'm coming by home affairs.
And what did they say in home affairs? Turn around and tell us again. Put me home affairs.
I'm coming by home affairs right now. You saw me by the first bus. You didn't see me. I take the kids. I'm coming by home affairs right now. They check our paper. The lights on top here. Valid.
Oh, sorry.
They print this paper. They print this paper and then they take a photocopy. This one, the lights here, valid section 22, something like that. This one valid. With a manager from the Home Affairs. You saw me for the first bus. I'm going to come here. They don't want to do this. No way. You must go home. No way. It's no way. No way. No way. I need the mother for the baby. I'm so sorry, brother.
He said he just came back from Home Affairs.
First person saw me, they was pointing me finger at the window and said, I'm coming back. I'm here right now. I'm later. Here. No one is here is illegal. Please. All of you. Whatever they're going to do.
Enzalo, c'est pour ma Home Affairs. How do you? Are you live? Wait, so to check the cross.
She's here. She was doing the video, and I said I'm gonna open the case for her. Then she's here. The first victim of match in Durban, it was me. I think this guy was there. Then they beat me on he was beating me sick. I went to court, the police station. They refused to come to the case for me. Police tell me to go to court. I went to court to take a protection order. Police they refused again to sign my protection order. I have the proof, the protection order. I have it. I need the mother.
Why did you beat the guy up?
I was telling her to come from Home Affairs. How come they're going to take us from Home Affairs and then they release us, go home? There's supposed to be a bus for Home Affairs, get here. Look now, I'm in trouble now with the mother for this lady. One is not having a document, so they was going to get the baby in a document. So I tell one, she tell I don't know what you mean. Yeah, this is another. Yes, she was with me and with me. I kept the baby from the Home Affairs to here with my foot.
Is the baby yours?
I can show you the video how they was beating me much too much. I can show you the video. And the journalist post me, she said, she writes and documented. I explain my document. Yes, yes, one by one, they got us very well. ID, this side, they want to go. is a payment. Section 52 of refugee. That is 1988 in South Africa. Here, refugee must be here. I'm not saying I'm not immigrant, I'm a refugee. As a refugee, sorry, not the baby. There is Section 22 in Act of South Africa Parliament. The vote need to be here. 1998. A refugee must recognize in South Africa. So government is trying to teach the citizen what's meaning of this paper. That's why this paper here. They take the ID, this line, they want to go to Aslam, this ID, they check, they see what it's called, they print it, you can go to that now, find that the printing and I was happy to find the new paper, but they take that the new one, and the Home Affairs, they're writing their code here, which is already verified. They take the Home Affairs, they arrive there, they already verified the document, photocopy, so this one.
You left with the baby on the bus, and you came back to give the baby back to the mother. She looked at you.
Yes, when I came, I thought there's a car again, is waiting for us to bring us back here. No one who had been taken from the government to here. It's a long distance. It's almost 20 minutes to walk here today. I walk here, there's some here, and the mother is left behind, but luckily we find the mother.
After they released you in Home Affairs, what they said?
The Home Affairs say, go back.
So now you're going to go back to your home?
I'm not going home, I'm not safe.
So where are you going to go? They
Where you gonna-
center that.
It's not the first time. 2008, they did the same thing. The beaches and we lost our brothers. 68 people, they was dying, but God was hiding. Everyone was going to bed, someone was attacked. Myself, I was attacked. Xenophobia. 2015, there's a proof. 2015.
So can I come in? There is a refugee center that Intermini municipality has identified that all the foreign nationals all go to. You're not on the first class. Why are you not on the
The people, they are journalists. They are not the foreigner, they are refugees. The question is similar to refugee. I can't answer any question for foreigner. I don't know about foreigner. I know about a refugee. I know more about a refugee. As I'm a refugee from 1996. I ran away my country in 1996. I'm from DRC. I was 12 years baby. I lost all my parents. And I came to look for peace. Can't I see there's a peace in South Africa? I lost all my parents. You understand? 1996, I ran away. The first war. All this fear is a xenophobia. There's a gunshot. Here, I got a proof. This is a gunshot by Park Street. This is a gunshot here, and I don't know who shot me. Citizen, there was fight, and the bullet came on me. There's a bullet here. This one is a knife. 2015, second xenophobia. We can be victim every time xenophobia attack. So we have our rights. I'm coming back home after. We are pleading South Africa government. They must protect us as a human being, as a refugee. Unless if they fail to protect us, we got a two-court cooperation. Government, you know, where's the UNHCR? They must talk to UNHCR. The one who represents in South Africa, they must sit down to the top. They can look. What is the problem about me to be repatriate home? I can't repatriate home as the citizens say. I'm come here to fill the form. And when I go home every Monday, there's an official attack and I get home. I'm coming from east of DRC. It's the way they killed 12 South Africa people, soldiers. It's where there was a war. That is my town. You understand me?
Typically, I think obviously it's visibly emotional and trespassing now.
Sorry?
You say you are trespassing now.
We're gonna go back to the police station.
But in police station, they're bombing your guys.
There was no problem.
So why do you
In DRC, every time we was jumping for blood and the bombing, we're gonna see, we're gonna be together again. We're gonna go to the police station to protect us. Because that's what we need. Only. Thank you. My name is Robert.
Hi there, Robert.
Robert.
Mimi natokea kwa mapenzi, msiogope. Niko hapa, mimi natokea, msiogope. Yeah. Oya, msiogope, natokea kwa mapenzi. Mzee, mimi natokea kwa mapenzi. I'm coming by all my friends. There's no problem. 2 minutes to check.
Sometimes it's just an example.
Amaphoyisa wakhiphe
asithi manje asigijime mina nawe sibone.
Abaseka ama toilet.
Sompana seniqedile kwenzakalani?
until further notice. About to that, I never thank you.
Oh, I'm going to pay you. She's a case. Utoje? Babisa bafowethu la. Lungile kanti uqonda bakuphi? Uqonda bakuphi? Xosha kwasi. Vele lokho khona simshale naye Phoenix. Awusiyayo. Akukho la esikesi. Muphi yena umshefu? Mina ngosayithemba. Wanda. Siyasa. Mina ngibeke lo manje. Baningi kakhulu eSt. George's. Akakho amabhasi.